welcome to techgovernor.net. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a bootable media using a flash drive so as you can use it to install your applications and other bootable files that are only being run on CDs. So the software that I'll be using for this tutorial is the Power ISO, which is one of the best that I've chosen among many. So I have provided the download link for the setup. As you can see, it's already on my desktop, so that I don't have to install it again. I have it already installed on my system. So you just have to go to the description of the video, locate the download link, and download and install it on your system. So basically all you have to do is just to get your flash drive, your pen drive, minimum let's say 4 gig drive upward. So after installing the Power ISO application, you run the application as an administrator in order to get the full privileges of. After the application has successfully opened, you locate the tools menu at the top, then click on create bootable USB drive, then select the drive. In my own case I'm having imitation rich .j, so in your it might be different. If your USB drive is not showing up, you can click on the refresh button here. So after that you locate the image file, click on the browse button. As you can see, I have so many operating systems here in the form of the ISO. So in this video I'll be using Kali Linux 2018.1. You click on open. So by default it selects the file system, so you don't make any modifications, so as it will be run as a CD. So you click on start. All data and USB above written. Make sure you have copied all your files that you needed, as this process will completely wipe everything that is on it. So after the time elapses, it will show you that the drive has been successfully been written. Then you click on OK, then close. So logically all you have to do is just to check on my computer, close the software. After closing the software, you notice that there will be changes on the flash drive. So all you have to do next is just to boot your system in a bootable mode. On HP systems normally it's F9 to locate the bootloader, then test how bootable the flash has become. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more.